Guys, in this video I'm going to explain about Fibonacci extension so you can trade by this great tool in your trading setup. So let's get started. uh, with Fibonacci extension you can identify or choose your exit levels or profit target. So let's put Fibonacci extension to our chart. Before I put this one, I should say you that you need a Fibonacci retracement to identify or draw your levels, as you can use for Fibonacci retracement tool. So for using Fibonacci extension you need to use Fibonacci retracement tool. For example, from this low to high. So in Fibonacci extension you need the levels over 100%, but in Fibonacci retracement we was using the levels between 0 and 100%. For example, 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61%, and 78% up to 100%. These numbers, our levels, are for Fibonacci retracement. But in Fibonacci retracement we have some numbers and that use Fibonacci. That's 120 27.2%, 161.8%, also 261.8%, and other levels 361 and 423%. These are not common using our profit target by using this method or Fibonacci extension. In this video I'm going to show you some examples from using this currency pair of AUD USD in daily time frame. So we suggest you use the extension of Fibonacci extension just for exit trades. But if you want to enter your trades, only use the levels between 0 and 100. Especially I guess you recommend you using these two levels that are gold numbers from Fibonacci, that is 61.8 and 78.6%. These two numbers are a great area for entering your trades. So yeah guys, let's go to our real chart and Australian dollar chart, daily time frame. So before we start, put our Fibonacci extension, as I told you a minute ago, we need to enter our trades. So for example, we enter here. Okay, that's a level 61.8%. That's also near of support zone. So here is the support tends to resistance zone. So here some traders are entering the trade. Also we have trend line, touching or trend line. So the great area is here, and also we can see some bearish candlestick patterns here for entering our trades. But for exit trades we use Fibonacci extension. As I said, we use Fibonacci extension by using Fibonacci retracement tool in our trading view or also in MetaTrader. So keep in mind, Fibonacci retracement we can use also for Fibonacci extension. So for drawing or Fibonacci extension, we need to choose or identify some lows and some highs. For example, we have some highs that chart touches our trend line. That is, so this is the downtrend, and also we have some lows that are there. So new lows are below than previous lows. So in a bearish market, we are going to selling trades, but or exit trades or profit target trades. For example, we want to identify some take profits from our trade. For example, we enter here like this candle, and we want to choose some levels for our take profit. So try to put your uh, Fibonacci extension, as I said, that's same with Fibonacci retracement, but we need to uh, use the different numbers. So that's the difference between Fibonacci retracement and extension. From 0 to 100 Fibonacci retracement, and from above than or uh, more than 100% are for Fibonacci extensions. So from low in a bearish market or bearish trend, we use from low to high. The high is where we enter our trades. So we use, for example, we are here. This is our last candle. We are here entering the trade. Check out the last high and last low. So these are last lows, these are last low, and this one is last low, and this one is last high. So for Fibonacci extension, to identify or choose our area for exit trades, try to draw from low to high, last low to last high. So I draw from last low to last high here, low, this one high. So the first target we need to choose for trade, I absolutely suggest you use the 100% for your first target. Okay guys, so this level is your first target, take profit. Second one is 127.2, and the next one is 160.8%. So this level are your next targets for your trades. Remember, don't use just these numbers for your trading, as you need to try to check out your chart before. For example, we are in daily time frame. If you can't see anything or any support and resistances from this current chart, check out the level up time frame. For example, here daily time frame, and check it in weekly time frame for identifying and finding some support and resistances to match your exit rate or targets. So for example, as I checked it here, 100% for first target. So for second and third target, we need to choose some support and resistances a period of time. For example, in weekly time frame of the AUD/USD, we have some support here. It's okay for our support zone. So this support zone is equal and same area, with 127% of Fibonacci extension. So this level is good area for our second profit target or take profit. But the third one or third take profit is here, but this doesn't show any area near of 161.8%. So if you want to use your next icon, try to use these levels than these levels. You can also use these levels, but I suggest you these levels are better because these are um, real supports. No matter how the number are showing you, but the more you see the numbers are equal in the area, for example 127 is near of this support zone. This is very powerful area for your uh, profit targets. And also you can use Fibonacci extension for entry levels. For example, you can buy something from here or here, but it depends very important things. For example, you need to identify some other things. For example, other technical analysis. Check out your indicators, check out the candlestick patterns, classic patterns. A lot of things you need to check out in your charts. Also, you have to check out the fundamentals. For example, maybe there are some news in a couple of hours. So before you enter against of your trend, for example, the trend is down, so you want to go up. Please be aware and check out everything before you do it, because the against trading is very risky and trend flop. So we have also other levels like 261%. That's our next level, our next profit target. You can use it for next target, as this is yeah, we can see some support here. So there's some support. This is zones. You can also use this. So here is our next target, and the next one is 361 and this. But for these numbers, the last three numbers, for example this one, this one, and this one, and these are not really common in using profit target or using price action or for something like that. But this number is very common for harmonic patterns. If you understand what is harmonic patterns, I will show you in other videos. The next couple of videos I will show you what is exactly a harmonic pattern and how we can use for entry levels also using Fibonacci extension or harmonic patterns. So it's really important to understand this level, so these are not useless. So we can use these numbers also in other technical analysis, for example using harmonic or other things. Okay, I can show you other examples. Let's remove this drawing, please. So we have some big mobs here, especially here, but we have also some support zones here. So first we check out our support or resistances. This is our first thing we should do. Everything we should do in your analysis, try to just find the support and resistance zones before you go do your uh, Fibonacci's. don't don't forget to use these support and resistances identified, because this is very important for rejections. retracements, your trades. So this is our very important zone. But here we have also a bearish candlestick, some patterns, candlestick patterns, and also you have a retracement. So as I said you in other video about Fibonacci retracement, how we draw Fibonacci retracement in downtrend is from high to low. This is our, for example, this is our last low, and this is our last high. So for downtrend we use or we draw from high to low for Fibonacci retracement. For example, here is a zone, great zone of support, and the future support tends to resistance, and this is same area with 50% of Fibonacci retracement. So this is our entry level here. Example, short trade, sell, use a level up here. For example, is our entry level, and next level is for stop loss above than 61.8% or stop loss. That's a trick for using stop losses. Next level, for example, here we trade, put your stop loss for next level. If you have enter here, put your stop loss the next level, that is here. So as I said, you when you use your or we choose our first target, always 100% of Fibonacci. This is our first target. Okay, and the next target, for example, if you want to divide your trades, for example, to 3 trades, 4 trades, you can use Fibonacci extension for your second, third, and fourth targets. So from low to high, use Fibonacci extension. Let's remove this one. Be clear chart. Yeah, use from low from low to high is for Fibonacci extension. So this level is 127%, and the next level is 161%. These two levels are very common for profit targets. So this is our second target, and this one it is your third target. So by using this tool, we can easily identify and use our trade, and also turn our trade to great risk to reward. For example, this risk to reward is 1 to 2.5. That's a great risk to reward. Also for 161% Fibonacci extension is 1 to 3 and more. Also we can see there are some support period of time, so these are same area. Also this is same, for example, because this is 1 or 2 supports in 7 or 21 September, and also in 1 February 2010. It's about 9 years ago, but this time frame is weekly, so don't worry. That's our second target. This one is our third target. So you can see here some support zones. Okay guys, hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question, just put it in the comments, and also like my video if you want to and watch other videos, watch new videos. I'm sending it weekly or sometimes daily. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will remind you to follow my rules and be a good trader, to be the 1% of the professional traders in the world. So don't worry, the key is be patient. Never be greedy in your trades. Follow your plan. So but these things, how to have plans or something like this, I will also uh, create some video about this category. So thanks for watching. Have a good day or night. Goodbye.